Hi, this is Neil of Team Teacher, teaching, living and raising a family in China. Today we're looking at a Chinese learning app called Memrise. Let's check it out. Memrise is a great free app that is available on Google Play, Apple, and you can download it directly from the Memrise website, and we'll put a link below. Basically, Memrise is an online app-based or website-based flashcard deck. It's really that simple. But don't let the simple idea confuse you, because it's a key tool for learning language. Remember, before you actually start a course, to log in so you can actually track your progress and you can sign into other devices as well. One of the great things about Memrise is that you can create your own deck. So if you're working on a specific set of vocabulary, you can create your own deck for that, but there actually are a lot of user-created decks. And one of the best things about these user-created decks is they're often based on books, podcasts, or audio programs for learning Chinese. So I actually have, for example, the Michelle Thomas Foundation course on here, and I can go through CD1, for example, like I have now, and look and listen to the audio course while I'm actually going through the flashcard deck. And it also has it for books as well, like Chinesey. You can learn and review the actual Chinese book as it would be if you were using flashcards. It can be a systematic approach to learning Chinese, but it really depends on what flashcards that you use. You can create your own systematic approach, or you can even use different programs and other user-created flashcard decks that will actually guide you full into the actual program. Another great thing about this is you can actually download all these flashcard decks offline, so you don't need to waste your data as you're going about your day. I hope you found that video about Memrise informative and entertaining. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel. Bye bye.